I'm Ashratha, your host, and you're watching Podar Bulletin.
PIS students were felicited for stellar performance in state level exam. PIS students bagged Zonal Excellence Awards in Science Olympiad. PTM was successfully conducted for classes 3rd to 8th. Podar International School, Gondia, clinches district championship in under 17 football tournament. Podar students shine at district level chess tournament with top honors. Students recognized for their regularity by PIS Gondia. Seminar on Commerce Career Options held for class 10 students at Podar, Gondia.
Dheya Prakashan Academy, Maharashtra organized state-level talent search exam. Several PIS students participated in the exam were felicitated with certificates in recognition of their commendable performance. The proud achievers are
Devashri Devtare, Ridang Ganveer, Adhira Kumbhalwar, Advika Kumbhalwar, Sharvil Uike, and Twinkle Sonwane.
We are delighted to share that the Science Olympiad Foundation has given certificates of zonal excellence to some of our bright students.
Kanishka Thakare, Prisha Dadriwal, Parth Advani, and Priyansh Mahapatra. Master Aryan Bhayekar secured 5th zonal rank and was awarded with a cash prize of Rs 500. Principal Mr. Mahendra Jagdale congratulated all the winners for their achievement. The open house for classes 3rd to 8th was conducted this week successfully. The PTM was scheduled in 3 phases. Class 3rd and 4th standard 6th August 2025. Class 5th and 6th standard 7th August 2025. Classes 7th and 8th standard 8th August 2025. During the parents-teachers meeting, parents actively inquired about the academic progress and overall development of their wards. Insightful discussions were held between teacher and parents, focusing on strategies for holistic improvement and betterment of each child's performance. The interaction aimed to strengthen the collaborative efforts between home and school, ensuring personalized guidance and academic excellence for every
In a remarkable display of talent and teamwork, Podar International School Gondia emerged as the champion of under 17 boys category. The Taluka level school football tournament was successfully held on 1st and 2nd of August at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Gondia.
The event was organized by the District Sports Office and the District Sports Council under the guidance of Directorate of Sports and Youth Services, Maharashtra State, Pune. The team showcased consistent performance throughout the tournament, winning each of their matches with skill and determination. The final match proved to be a thrilling conquest, but Podar International School held their nerve and secured a hard-fought victory to claim the district championship title. With this trump, the team has qualified to represent Gondia in the upcoming district-level football competition. The players attribute their success to the strong leadership of Principal Mr. Mahendra Jagdale and the dedicated efforts of coaches Mr. Anand Gadekar and Mrs. Harsha K. The school proudly celebrated this achievement, applauding the young athletes for bringing honor to both their institution and the district.
Podar students shine at district level chess tournament with top honors. The district level chess competition was successfully organized by Gondia District Chess Association at Littlewood School, Gondia.
Podar students shine at district level chess tournament with top honors. The district level chess competition was successfully organized by the Gondia District Chess Association at Littlewood School, Gondia. The students of PIS Gondia delivered outstanding performances. Vrind Agrawal of grade 6 Saturn secured first position in the under 13 category, demonstrating brilliant tackling play throughout the tournament. Sarth Rochwani of class 6 Jupiter achieved second position in the under 11 category, impressing everyone with his strong moves and composure. The school principal, Mr. Mahendra Jagdale, congratulated both the students on their remarkable achievement and wished them continued success in their future competitions.
Students from classes 1 to 10th were felicitated for 100% attendance. To promote discipline, responsibility and dedication among students, Podar International School Gondia recognizes its students for 100% attendance.
Students from class 1 to 10th were felicitated for 100% attendance. To promote discipline, responsibility, and dedication among students, Podar International School Gondia recognizes its students with 100% attendance certificate. As a part of this initiative, students from class 1 to 10 who have maintained perfect attendance were felicitated during the school assembly. This effort not only encourages students to attend school regularly, but also instills a sense of accountability, time management, and perseverance, qualities essential for both academic and personal growth. At the end of academic year, students who achieve perfect attendance are honored with a medal and a special certificate, acknowledging their unwavering commitment and
Special
regularity.
seminar on career options in the commerce field was conducted exclusively for grade 10 students on 5th of August.
The seminar was graced by C.A. Saket Gala, a distinguished speaker and mentor at CABS from Nagpur. The seminar was highly informative and sparked enthusiasm among students to explore the field of commerce with clarity and confidence.
Special assembly on the theme of Raksha Bandhan was conducted by the students of Podar International School, Gondia.
A heartwarming skit depicted the everyday moments shared between a brother and sister, their playful fights, unconditional support, and the promise to always protect each other, leaving the audience both emotional and smiling. Rakhis were also tied by girl students to the school's male transport staff as a gesture of gratitude and respect for their service.
This concludes today's bulletin. We will be back next Saturday with some more updates. Thanks for watching.